that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the pain, a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to 'em. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are in the Halloween season. This is literally my favorite season. So we're just going to get started with this tutorial. So for the DIY of the hat, obviously we are doing Papa Legba. So you are going to need some skulls, a top hat, and some flowers that I actually spray painted gold as well. And you're also going to need a hot glue gun. So this is really simple. Basically what you're going to do is stick the skulls onto the hat in a straight line going around where that black ribbon is. And then you're just going to add flowers alternating between burgundy and gold, whichever you choose to do. And after you have done that, your hat is complete. I will leave everything that I used and bought in the description box below. But we're going to move on to the makeup part. When I tell you this makeup look is super easy, perfect for last minute makeup looks. So we're going to start with liquid latex, and I am using a sponge that has many holes in it just to give my skin some texture, because if you look at the Papa Legba picture, it's not one solid color. He has some texture going on. So now we're going to move on to the paint part. I will also leave where I got this paint palette in the description box below. So we're going to start off with the black paint, and we are just going to form the shadowy eyes that Papa Legba has. This makeup look does not have to be neat at all. Make sure you also blend out the edges once you have placed the black eyes on. So the next thing we're going to do using the same holy sponge, so we are just going to create some shadowing around and under the cheekbone. Just so if you've seen the picture and you've seen what he looks like, then you know. And then we're also just going to use the same sponge and put white paint everywhere that we put the liquid latex. Next, I'll be drawing on these small details with a fine liner brush. I'm barely tapping into the black paint just to give it more of a shadowy effect. And basically there's no rhyme or reason to this. You just do whatever you feel, and yeah.
Spooky.
So to make this a more girly feel, I just popped on my favorite pair of lashes, and then I'm just going to add a red lip just to kind of tie this look together. But that's really it for this final look. For my hair, I just twisted it up and added some jewels. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M B Squad, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.